What's up, ladies? Thank you so much for tuning in to another wig review. Here we are with a beautiful unit thanks to Wig Encounters. First and foremost, let me apologize for my dog. She was on the bed. I don't like to move her, and yeah, you see what she's doing. Anywho, they were kind enough to send me one of their T Part lace front units. So you do get a wig cap with this, and of course this beautiful silky bag. This is their 13x5 T Part Glueless lace front cap. I do have it in 180% density, 22 inches, and the color on here, perfect color for autumn and winter. Slay, baby. So I'm assuming they mean, when they say 13x5, they mean you have 13 inches going ear to ear with lace and then a 5-inch deep lace part. And there are two combs in the front, one in the back, and you do have an elastic band that is sewn into the cap. Unfortunately, my phone did stop recording when I cut and tinted the lace. Yeah, I know. I'm still trying to get over it. But I definitely wanted to show you what the hairline looks like before I go in and customize the unit further. And this is with no plucking on the hairline. It's really hard to see because of course I've already cut it, but I think the hairline looks really good for a beginner. And of course, baby, take in this color. This color alone sells the unit for me. It is such a beautiful job. Now all I did for this part, honey, was I brushed the hair back, I swoopity swooped them sides, honey, and that was it. No plucking needed for this unit. Definitely a great hairline for women who are new to wigs, or maybe you're just not into the pluckity pluck, sis. This is the unit for you. Going in with the contortion palette by the crayon case, I did apply just 2 shades into the parting space to get this looking like scalp, baby. And this is where it went left. Yeah, you see what I was doing? I was so busy running my mouth, using this razor comb, and bam, baby, I took a U-turn down Struggle Avenue, and it was a wrap. Now seriously, I was tripping because I think the waves on here are actually okay out of the pack. I would have just spruced them up as I did right here with my curling iron. I think the issue was the ends for this unit. If I would have just cut off a couple of inches, it would have looked so much better. So before I come back with my final thoughts and of course the finished look, I did want to show you that I did go in with my shears and I actually trimmed off quite a bit off of this unit. I think even for the length and the color, it's very pretty, but it definitely looked way fuller and way healthier once I cut off a few inches.
Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. When it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed?
Okay, let's get into this black girl magic, boo. First and foremost, I want to give a big thank you to Wig Encounters for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. If you're interested in purchasing, as always, direct link in the description box down below. And baby, okay, let's talk about this beautiful beautifully colored unit. A T Part unit is basically like a lace front human hair wig, if you want to call it that. You do have lace parting right down the middle, and then of course on the sides you do have a couple of inches of lace. There is your T part. So with this one, you know, the middle part was looking really cute. It was okay. It just wasn't vibing with your girl. You know, I needed a little oomph. Okay, I needed some oomph with this color. So I did go ahead and do the NOOOO style, boo. Threw it up in a half up, half down. And baby, can your T Part lace do this? I think it can, boo. Go ahead and try it. I'm really glad that I tried this because I was a little hesitant, thinking that the hairline really wasn't going to mesh well. You know, sometimes, you know, they got the front porch looking all nice, but then when you go to the side window or the back porch, yeah, it's a problem. No plucking, no tweezing. You ladies know I like to keep it nice and simple on here. I know a lot of ladies that watch me are not into plucking, bleaching, and all that good stuff. You want something that you can put on, bam, out the door. So I think the hairline came out really good. It is lifting on this side. I do apologize for that. My makeup, you know, it is what it is. You just gotta make lemons out of lemonade, boo, and that's what we gonna do. You know, I really regret cutting this. You ladies saw in the beginning, I did attempt to put some layers in it. I am no guru. I'm no stylist. I'm no Slade by Jordan, boo, okay? It is what it is. And, you know, I just, like I said, I had to make lemons out of lemonade. And I think it came out cute or whatever. Now, this is, I believe, 180% density. I'm going to have to discuss that with them. But anyway, so, you know, this is more on the natural density side. You know, it's not going to give you that boom factor that you're looking for, boo. This is going to be more of a natural texture, a natural density, everyday type of unit. Now, with the half up, half down, you know, of course, the ends, this part's going to look a little bit less full than if you were to have it all the way down. But I'm happy, y'all. I'm happy. I took my mess up and I overcame, okay? So, you know, this is proof that I'm not perfect. None of us here on YouTube or anyone who does a video, none of us are perfect. We mess up, and baby, yeah, your girl messed up. But I still finessed it, period. So, yeah, I'm very happy. Really no complaints. I would purchase, probably if I were to purchase this on my own, I would definitely go for like the 200% density if it's available. So of course I will leave all the specs for this unit in the description box down below. I do want to give a big thank you to Wig Encounters for trusting your girl with this beauty and working with me once again. Always appreciate it. Bigger thank you to all of you for tuning in. I definitely appreciate all the love that you give me. We are on the road to 50K, baby. So thank you so much. Keep sharing the video. Keep dropping your comments. Keep smashing that subscribe button. Most importantly, ring that bell so you are notified. Videos come Tuesdays, Fridays, Sundays, 6 p.m. Central. Thank you, ladies. And as always, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.